Hey everyone, I'm Hillary. I'm the Audiology and Training Manager here at Unitron HQ. My day today is really about being the voice of the clinician, making sure our teams know exactly what you need to provide the best possible care. Additionally, I get to put together the training materials when we have something new to share, which brings us to today. I'm so excited to show you our latest innovation, Moxie SRX. This features our very first deep neural network, or DNN-enabled feature called SoundSonic 360. SoundSonic 360 is a game changer for conversations in loud noise. It separates speech from noise, cleans up the signal, and delivers clear speech from any direction, even if you're in a big group. We want you to feel totally confident using this as a tool to set your clients up for success. So, let's get into it. It feels like everyone is talking about AI lately, right? It's in everything. But it can be a little tricky to nail down what artificial intelligence actually means for us. So let's look at the two parts that are relevant to hearing care right now: machine learning and deep learning. Think of machine learning as a system that gets better and better at its job by analyzing data. But deep learning, that takes things a step further. These systems use sophisticated algorithms like deep neural networks, or DNNs, to emulate how the human brain works. They're built for really complex tasks, like signal processing in real time. Within the DNN, you can't see it, but the second a sound comes in, that signal is passed through layer upon layer of analysis. Each layer handles a different calculation, all working toward one goal. At Unitron, that goal is simple: giving people access to clear speech no matter where they are. Now, it's taken a while for DNN tech to make its way into hearing instruments because the math involved is huge. We can't have more than a few milliseconds of lag, or it ruins the experience. To get it right, we fed SoundSonic 360 the equivalent of 2 years worth of sound. We trained it with samples of both clean and noisy pairs, so the system is ready for pretty much any complex situation it might run into. At this point, you might be thinking, Hillary, didn't we already have speech enhancement and noise reduction? What's the big deal? Up until now, Unitron has been really successful using binaural beamforming. It's great when speech is coming from right in front of you and the noise is somewhere else. The beamformer hones in on that one person speaking and that one direction and cancels out the rest. But in the real world, people don't always stand directly in front of you. You might be at dinner with 4 or 5 of your friends, or maybe you're at a concert. That's why SoundSonic 360 is such a massive leap forward in hearing technology. It takes all the inputs from any direction simultaneously, filters out the noise, and boosts the speech. Our wearers can just enjoy the conversation and let the DNN do the heavy lifting in terms of signal processing. The noise isn't a barrier anymore. And we have the evidence to back this up. SoundSonic 360 can instantly separate speech from noise all around, and we're talking about an unprecedented 10 dB signal-to-noise ratio improvement compared to omnidirectional settings. It boosts speech understanding by up to 44% instantly, and it provides up to a 3.7 dB more signal-to-noise ratio benefit compared to our key competitors. At the end of the day, we want to give you the best tools to help your clients manage their listening needs, regardless of the situation. SoundSonic 360 is that tool. It's smart, it's fast, and it helps keep clients in the conversation, even when life gets loud. So the next time your client is debating whether to go to that noisy new restaurant or a big family reunion, we want them to stop saying, maybe next time, and start saying, bring it on. With Moxie SRX and SoundSonic 360, they've got what they need to handle the noise and just enjoy the experience.